If you're looking at Cicinia Dresses and wondering whether the store is real or a scam, the answer is a bit complicated. Cicinia appears to be a real online store that ships products, but it's not a store I'd recommend without caution. Let's break it down. Cicinia specializes in bridesmaid dresses, wedding guest dresses, prom dresses, and formal wear. The company has hundreds of customer reviews online, and many buyers report actually receiving their orders. That alone suggests it's not a fake website that simply takes money and disappears. However, the biggest complaints aren't about missing orders. They're about what happens after the dress arrives. The positives. Many customers say the dresses look close to the photos, custom sizing works well, and the prices are significantly lower than traditional bridal stores. Some reviewers were pleasantly surprised by the quality and fit, especially for made-to-measure dresses. Several Reddit users also reported receiving fabric samples and dresses that matched expectations, particularly when using custom measurements. The negatives. The return policy is where most complaints appear. Across Trustpilot, Reddit, and consumer complaint sites, customers frequently report difficulties obtaining refunds, being offered partial refunds instead of full returns, or being asked to pay expensive return shipping to China. Other buyers complained that sizing, color, or fabric quality didn't match expectations, and some described customer service as frustrating when trying to resolve problems. So is Cicinia real or fake? Cicinia appears to be a real dress retailer, not an outright scam website, because many customers successfully receive their dresses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.